How's it, guys? Welcome to my channel. I am back to share with you guys another recipe, tried and true. Now this recipe is going to go under main dishes in my House of Flynn Traveler's Wallet. This is the Playa design, and that would be chef d'oeuvre, as in masterpiece. I've done this recipe many times. It's very delicious. And it is actually a recipe from Kaoru, the lady I told you folks about who taught me how to cook. Well, my friend's older sister, her name was Betty, and she gave us this recipe. So, this is years ago in Hawaii. So, we made this all the time. Kung Pao Chicken. It is delicious. So it is a Chinese stir-fried chicken with peanuts. Bears the name of a high-ranking officer of the Qing dynasty in whose honor it was created. It is a very popular Szechuan dish, typically flaming hot. So that is what I'm going to do. And it looks like it came from the Well-Traveled Chicken. So this was one of Betty's recipe books, and she Xeroxed this for us. And then we made it all the time. So, yeah. So there's that. Okay, and I think I'm going to use these because that was also obviously when we were living in Hawaii. So I think this is more than fitting for this recipe. So here we go. I'm going to start with this beautiful pink one. Love this one. So pretty. And I think I might just leave it whole, honestly, because I think I can manage to write this recipe in this space. And if not, I can put the ingredients on one side and the directions on the other. But I just love this hibiscus, so I'm going for it. One on the top, and then I'll put one flanking on the bottom in the opposite direction. This one seems smaller, isn't it? It's just ever so slightly smaller. Okay. Oh, I see. This blue one is the same size, maybe. Okay. Gorgeous. Should we do pink here and then blue? This is the Fun Florals, and I have the other book, so styling. I think I'll save the other, this other big one for the back. Let me just pull this other book over quickly and just slip through it. There we go. Because I kind of want to use the same size flower, you know? I do believe Betty's brother became a chef. So my friend, he became a chef, I do believe. And so we always liked cooking. Anyway, it was a long time ago. Now, does that... Yeah, that seems more like the same size. No, this is actually still small. What are you doing? You are a train wreck. So I'm going to pull this exact sticker. There we go. That is this exact sticker. And I'm going to use it right here. Yeah, because it barely fits on this page. That's how I could tell something was amiss. There, beautiful. Now I will cut this one. That's more like it. Yeah, Betty liked to cook too. I remember that. So that is how all that came about. Because as soon as she caught wind that Kaoru was teaching me how to cook, then she was nice enough to look up these recipes that she would use and Xerox them for us and mail them to me. Because she had moved to the mainland, but she used to come and visit Hawaii. Okay. Cute. Should we go with an orange, you think? A pink and then an orange? I don't think we have enough space for it, though. We might just do the orange. Why not? Let me use this orange one. At least on this side, you know? Here we go. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh no. That has to be moved up because it's just too big. Okay, now this is what we're used to, right guys? Moving stickers around. I can't see through that sticker for placement. Now placement is key, you know that. Otherwise the other sticker won't fit because these are big, you know. If that one moves, this one moves. That's just the way we go. That's just the way we roll. That's just the way how it is. Go with it. Embrace it. Deal with it. I need to put my hair in a bun right now, like in the worst way. Oh my goodness. Does that look okay? And then back to this beauty. Now I think we have just enough space, because I don't really want that to overlap. It did slightly, but no, I gotta move it up because I just can't deal with that. I'm glad that these stickers and this paper is forgiving. These half sheets are good. Because I think if I was doing this many times and this large of a sticker in my Happinichi, because it's Tomoe River paper, it would not have worked out. At least I probably would have ripped the paper, you know. You didn't move it, honey. Just ever so slightly. Keep calm and carry on, kiddo. That is how it has to be. Then that is how it has to be. Okay. Now, yeah. I'm just gonna snip it and snip it. That's right. Yeah. Now where did the snipping part go? Here's one. I snipped it twice. I'm missing a piece. Well, it'll turn up eventually, I suppose. In the meantime, I'm going to put that right there. That looks awkward. Oh, there it is on my finger. How funny. Well, there we go. How could I not feel that there? Seriously. Okay, that is stunning. Now, ouch, for the other side. Okay, I want this to face this way. Okay. There. That looks good. I'm happy with that. Now let's keep this in congruence and use the other pink one off of this sheet, which is the same size as the one above. Okay, nice. Very nice. Now, oh darling, you must go. You are cramping my little style. There, you see? Another one. It's just easier to get rid of that. Okay. Okay. Now I'm going to use this beauty. Snip. All right, and then a pink one with the orange. Is that how we're doing it? No. I think this one. Ooh, these are, I've cut these small, so. There, that was hanging off the edge. I can't have that. Hibiscus flowers, they are so beautiful. I can't say enough about them. And I think we're going to do another, let's see. We'll go pink, blue, I guess pink, and that'll have to be pink right there. Or we could do orange, but we're not going to. Nope. We're going to do another one of those and another one of these. Oh, I know what we could do. We could do 2 pinks in between. And then flank, so either end is flanked in blue. I think that'll look cute. Okay, let me cut this one too because I want to make sure of the spacing. That I have enough room, and I don't. Up you go. Struggle is real. I think I'm just going to leave that one. Just move this one just slightly up. These small slivers are a bit fussy. I will say that. But we're still going for it. Huh? Nice. Okay. I'm going to match this up since it's here first. Just like so. Okay. We need to go up. that looks good now. Last one, moment of truth, baby. Okay, so that looks beautiful. Look at all that. I love it. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to write out my recipe for Kung Pao Chicken, and then I will show you on the flip side. Catch you in a minute. Okay, guys. This turned out so beautifully, and I highly recommend this dish. It's delicious. So, Kung Pao Chicken, 1/4 cup, skinless, boneless chicken breasts cut into 1/2-inch pieces, 1 egg white, 1 tablespoon plus 1 teaspoon cornstarch, 1 teaspoon Szechuan chili paste with garlic, 2 tablespoons shoyu, 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar, 1/4 cup chicken broth, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, 3 tablespoons vegetable oil, 4 scallions, cut into 1/2-inch length sizes. Cut into 1/2-inch lengths. 1/2 cup raw peanuts, 2 cloves of garlic chopped, 1/2 to 1 teaspoon crushed hot pepper to taste. Okay, and the directions: in a small bowl, combine chicken pieces with egg white and 1 tablespoon cornstarch, toss to coat and set aside. 2. In another small bowl, blend chili paste with shoyu, vinegar, broth, 1 teaspoon cornstarch, and sesame oil. Set sauce aside. 3. And this is where I switched to from a 0.3 to a 0.05, which is a 0.20 millimeter, because I needed the space. I wish I would have used that from the jump, but I didn't, because I could have fit a lot of these lines together, because a lot of these are 2 lines, which is why I put the dot. Anyway, 3. Heat oil in a wok or large frying pan over medium-high heat. Add chicken and stir fry until it separates and turns white, about 4 minutes. Remove with a slotted spoon and drain on paper towels. Deep fry peanuts in oil over medium heat. Heat until they are golden brown, about 3 minutes. Remove and drain. 4. Remove all but 3 tablespoons oil from wok. Stir fry over high heat for 1 minute. Add sauce. Stir fry until heated through and thickened. Add peanuts. Stir to mix. And you serve it over rice. Okay, and I've been making this for decades. We'll just put it like that. For decades. I love this recipe. It's tried and true. I'm so happy that I still have it. This is a super fast and actually easy recipe to do. So, there you have it, folks. If you like what you saw, I hope you do consider subscribing to my channel. I thank you for hanging in there with my sticker struggle muggles. And I hope you do consider subscribing to my channel. And I hope this motivates you to cook and to just slow down with life and enjoy the moment. Okay, guys, thank you ever so kindly. And I think it was worth it, because taking all that extra time to do the stickers, I think it looks beautiful, regardless of whether or not I had to switch out from the pen size. So there's that. Okay, guys, thank you again ever so kindly for watching. Peace out.